Good morning, guys. Today I have received this PS in the same status. It has no Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antennas. So let's check it. And no sign of light on the start panel chip. Yeah. Yes. Okay. It is jam. Yeah. And here's is a rust, some kind of rust, but I can't see any rust here. First of all, I will try to turn this on with the help of my workbench power supply. It should go like this. And still there is no light on the panel. Why? Oh my god. Someone has a wrong panel strip he put here. As you can see, the contacts are at the downside of this connector, but this strip has the connections on the upper side. It should not be there. It is a wrong strip. Oh my god. So for this I have to find some strip that can match with this console. I think it should work. Yes. May God, it would be okay. There is no button. I have to short these 2 points. Yes, and green light. Let's check for its display. If it is on, then there must be a display. I will go to the screen and no display. And as you can see that it has had no HDD here. This console is empty. Okay. Let's try to turn it off. No. These lights are still on. another fault. It has many faults. One is no display fault, second is it is turning off with 3 beeps and red blinking light. So let's open it. Sometimes it is running and keeping itself on, but on the screen there is no display. Yes, okay. First of all, I must check for the no display problem. I should check this portion. This is the HDMI encoder chip, and I must check the output coils. These coils for with the HDMI port 1.1 ohm and it is 7 ohm. It's not good. And this one is 1 ohm. It is 1 ohm, 1 ohm, and it's 1 ohm, 1 ohm. Only a single coil is 7 ohm. I should make a jumper on this coil. And yes, I have made a jumper. I can show you. I have made this jumper. This one. It's fine. And on the other hand, whenever fault is like 3 beeps and blinking red light, then we must check this portion. And whenever the fault is like we press the power button and it instantly turns off without any beep and further any blinking red light, then we will check this portion. So it has 3 beeps, so we must check this portion. Here are some coupling resistors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will check all. For this I have this assembly tester. So let's start from here. It should be at 33 ohm. All the values are 33 ohm. It is also the same, and yeah, it is 33. It is also 33, and this is, yeah, no, it is not 33, but it is 14 point something kilo ohm. That's bad. That's not good. So let's finalize it by checking the rest of the resistors. It is 33, 33, 33, and 33, yes. And these blue resistors should be at 50 ohm. 50, 50, 50, 50. So we have find out the fault with this component, that this is bad. So let's replace it. So here I have a donor board. In new models As you can see that these two chips are combined into the only one single chip, but the circuitry is same. These two chips are combined into one single chip. So let's try to replace it. Now it is on its place and it should be soldered now. Yes, it's fine. Let's try to check it back. I have to short this button. I have to short these points because it has no button with the help of my tweezer. Let's check it. This strip has also gone bad. And now here is a red standby light, and I will turn it on with the help of this tweezer because it has no button. Now it is on and still on, keeping itself on. Maybe the fault has been rectified. And here if we go to the screen, there must be a message that HDD could not found because there is no HDD in this console or attached with this motherboard. So come on, don't do that like this. Yes, cannot start the appropriate system storage was not found. So guys, this was the story. Hopefully this video is helpful for your job. Thank you very much and goodbye.